Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our workshop, Patents as Collateral, the CoraPatents solution. Let me introduce myself. My name is Petra Ristau from JRC Capital Management. And what can you expect today? First of all, I will give you a short introduction to the CoraPatents project. Then I will hand over to my colleague Andreas Zagos from InTraCoM, who will introduce to you the patent valuation methodology they developed within the project. And finally, Roland Meier from Privé Technologies will show you the solution and how the CoraPatent index is displayed on the Privé platform. Finally, you will have the chance to put us questions and we will answer them. Please use the chat also already during the presentation. So, CoraPatents, the introduction. What is it? CoraPatents is research project that has been funded under the Eurostars program, which is part of Eureka, and which particularly addresses SMEs that are research-oriented. The project was active or started in November 2017 and is now ending by the end of this month. Its aim was to build and establish the patent valuation methodology as an accepted company assessment standard within the financial industry. The ultimate goal to support innovative companies, in particular SMEs and startups who possess patents, and to give them a chance to use these patents as collateral for lending. So the motivation, this is that we observed when it comes to financing, SMEs today are still in a disadvantage compared to large companies because they typically lack sufficient tangible assets for receiving loans under acceptable conditions. However, many innovative SMEs, they have patents and that they could use as a collateral, but in order to do this, there needs to be a standard that is accepted for the standard for valuation of patents. And so within CoraPatents, we have further evolved the patent valuation methodology by combining it with market risk hedging for the exposures in foreign currencies and by generating trading strategies for stock markets. Another result of the project is the reporting about patent value as collateral as a new financial instrument for lending. And this should help innovative SMEs to get their research financed. So who will benefit from CoraPatents? Above all, the SMEs who are looking for lending by getting better interest, better loans with lower interest rates. On the other hand, also the banks who are lending can reduce their credit risk with this valuation methodology. Venture capital companies can be supported to identify and verify outstanding deals. And finally, investment companies can develop new innovative products based on the trading signals. Who are the partners in the project? JRC Capital is the coordinating partner. an independent asset manager located in Berlin, and we are specialized in development of algorithmic trading strategies for forex and financial engineering of innovative products. We have InTraCoM Group, who are experts in the valuation of intellectual property rights and in innovation management. We have Privé Managers and Privé Technologies, a fintech providing software tools and solutions to integrate advisors, wealth managers, and investors. Innova Plus is another partner, a leading European consultancy group in innovation. And we have Matrix Investment, a software company specialized in quantitative investment strategies. This is the system architecture. So we come to the solution that was developed within this project. We can see the various components in this architecture that have been put together and interfaced. Above all, the core of the system are two databases with the valued patents. We have the manual patent valuation as a process here, and a quantitative analysis done with the help of models. These all together feed into another database containing the business data, which is here number 6 in the chart on the left-hand side, and on the other hand, on the right-hand side, lead to or serve as input to another module defining the collateral default risk quantification. And on top of it all, we have JRC's forex models, who will then be used to hedge against the currency the market risk of stocks that have been integrated into the portfolio in foreign currencies. About the results of the project, there are 4 product categories as an output. First of all, we have valuation reports as output that are generated taking the results from the collateral default risk module and from the manual patent valuation process. Second type of output is the licensing of database access to clients who want to build their own trading models. Asset managers, on the other hand, may prefer to receive trading signals directly for asset management. And finally, all types of financial institutes may be interested in developing their own financial products, which they can base on indices, as we would see later on. Where can you find more information? We have a website for the project, which is indicated here. There you can find a project brochure, and you can also get access to the trials. That means you can register and get access to the database where you can experiment with the data available there. And we are also present in LinkedIn and have an own group here. Now I would like to give focus to my colleague Andreas Zagos, who will give you more information about the patent valuation methodology.